In this video, I will teach you how to use English sentences in the kitchen, and you will learn useful vocabulary and phrases to improve your English language skills. Let's get started.
I am cutting vegetables.
I am cutting vegetables.
I am boiling water.
I am boiling water.
I am frying eggs.
I am frying eggs.
I am baking a cake.
I am baking a cake.
I am washing the vegetables.
I am washing the vegetables.
I am washing the dishes.
I am washing the dishes.
I am stirring the soup.
I am stirring the soup.
I am mixing the ingredients.
I am mixing the ingredients.
I am eating the food.
I am eating the food.
I am adding salt to the dish.
I am adding salt to the dish.
I am grilling chicken.
I am grilling chicken.
I am rolling dough for pizza.
I am rolling dough for pizza.
I am cracking eggs into a bowl.
I am cracking eggs into a bowl. I am decorating the cake.
I am decorating the cake. Read. Now you know sentences about cooking while practicing your English.